As an accounting management software expert, I often encounter questions from small business owners seeking streamlined solutions for their financial operations. A common query revolves around payment processing. Can I accept payments directly through Kashoo? This is a crucial consideration for any business looking to simplify invoicing and get paid faster. Let's delve into Kashoo's capabilities in this area and explore how it integrates with payment processing to enhance your business workflow. To put it simply, Kashoo itself does not function as a direct payment gateway. It doesn't have built-in features that allow you to directly process credit card payments or bank transfers from your customers within the platform. Think of Kashoo primarily as a robust accounting software designed to manage your income, expenses, invoicing, and reporting. It excels at organizing your financial data and providing you with clear insights into your business performance. However, this doesn't mean you can't accept online payments if you're using Kashoo. The key lies in Kashoo's seamless integration with third-party payment processors. These specialized platforms handle the complexities of payment processing, ensuring secure and efficient transactions. Kashoo acts as the central hub, connecting your invoices with these payment gateways to create a smoother payment experience for both you and your customers. Understanding the role of payment processors. Before we dive deeper into Kashoo's integrations, it's essential to understand what payment processors do. These are companies that act as intermediaries between your business, your customer's bank or credit card company, and your own bank account. They handle the entire transaction process, including authorization, verifying the customer's payment details and ensuring sufficient funds are available. Capture, transferring the funds from the customer's account to your merchant account. Security, implementing measures to protect sensitive payment information and prevent fraud. Compliance, adhering to industry regulations and standards like PCI DSS, Payment Card Industry Data Security Standard. Popular payment processors include platforms like Stripe, Square, PayPal, and many others. Each offers different features, fee structures, and integration capabilities. How Kashoo integrates with payment processors. Kashoo strategically partners with these payment processors to bridge the gap between your accounting software and your ability to receive payments electronically. The integration typically works as follows. Connect your accounts. Within your Kashoo settings, you'll find options to connect your Kashoo account with your chosen payment processor account. This usually involves entering API keys or other credentials provided by the payment gateway. Enable online payments on invoices. Once the connection is established, you can enable online payment options on the invoices you create in Kashoo. This typically involves a simple checkbox or setting within the invoice creation process. Customer receives invoice with payment link. When you send an invoice to your customer, it will include a secure link or button that allows them to make a payment online using their preferred method, e.g., credit card, debit card, or other options supported by the payment processor. Payment is processed by the gateway. When your customer clicks the link and enters their payment information, the payment processor securely handles the transaction. Payment status updates in Kashoo. The payment processor then communicates the payment status back to Kashoo. This means your invoices in Kashoo will be automatically marked as paid once the transaction is successful, eliminating the need for manual updates. Funds are deposited into your bank account. The funds from the payment are typically deposited into your designated bank account by the payment processor, according to their payout schedule. Seamless reconciliation. Because the payment status is automatically updated in Kashoo, the reconciliation process becomes much smoother. You can easily match the payments received in your bank account with the corresponding invoices in Kashoo. Benefits of integrating payment processing with Kashoo. Integrating a payment processor with your Kashoo account offers numerous advantages for your small business. Faster payments. Online payments are generally faster than traditional methods like checks, leading to improved cash flow. Enhanced customer convenience. Offering multiple online payment options makes it easier for your customers to pay you, improving their overall experience. Reduced manual work. Automatic payment status updates in Kashoo eliminate the need for manual tracking and updating of invoices, saving you time and effort. Improved accuracy. Automated processes reduce the risk of human error associated with manual payment recording and reconciliation. Professional image. Offering online payment options can enhance your business's professional image and demonstrate a commitment to modern practices. Streamlined accounting. Integrating payments directly with your accounting software simplifies your financial management and provides a clearer picture of your receivables. Choosing the right payment processor for your business. When selecting a payment processor to integrate with Kashoo, consider the following factors. Fees. Understand the transaction fees, monthly fees, and any other charges associated with the processor. Compare different providers to find a cost-effective solution for your business volume. Payment methods accepted. Ensure the processor supports the payment methods preferred by your customers, e.g., major credit cards, debit cards, digital wallets. Integration capabilities. Verify seamless integration with Kashoo and explore any additional features offered by the integration. Security. Choose a reputable processor with robust security measures to protect sensitive payment data. Customer support. Evaluate the quality and availability of customer support in case you encounter any issues. Ease of use. Consider the user-friendliness of both the payment processor's platform and the integration with Kashoo.